One provision of the Taft-Hartley Act, Section 14B, deserves special explanation. This section allows states to pass laws that restrict compulsory union membership. Accordingly, several states have passed right-to-work laws, which prohibit requiring employees to join unions as a condition of obtaining or continuing employment. These laws are so named because they allow a person the right to work without having to join a union. While the majority of right-to-work state laws were enacted between 1947 and 1963, in the recent past several union stronghold states have also joined the list. There are now 25 states with right-to-work laws in effect. Employment levels tend to be higher in right-to-work states, but wages tend to be lower. However, many right-to-work states have lower costs of living, therefore wage differences may not be as great as they appear. In states with right-to-work laws, employers may have an open shop, which indicates workers cannot be required to join or pay dues to a union. Thus, even though a union may represent a group of employees at a company, individual workers cannot be required or coerced to join or pay union dues. However, these workers are still subjects to the terms and conditions negotiated by the union, and the union must represent them for any disputes. The nature of union management relations is affected by right-to-work provisions of the Taft-Hartley Act. Right-to-work generally prohibits an employer from having a closed shop, which requires individuals to join a union before they can be hired. Because of concerns that a closed shop allowed a union to control who may be considered for employment and who must be hired by an employer, Section 14B prohibits closed shops except in construction-related occupations. In states that do not have right-to-work laws, different types of arrangements exist. 3 types of shops are as follows. The union shop. Workers must join the union, usually 30 to 60 days after being hired. The agency shop. Workers who don't join the union must make payments equal to union dues and fees to get union representation services. And maintenance of membership shops. Workers must remain members of the union for the period of the labor contract. The nature of the shop is negotiated between the union and the employer. Employees who fail to meet the requirements are often terminated from their jobs.